Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 67 of Run the Year 2021. We got it in today. We just landed back home. It's late, but we got it in, and that's the big, well, I should say, that's what's important. We got it in. We won today. Did you win today? If you won today, hit me with a hashtag #RickRayPoint. Let me know what you did. Leave me a comment down below. Hey, I wanted to talk to you about stretching. And if you sit a lot, if you have a job where you're sitting down a lot, let me tell you, those hip flexors, your back, your lower back, your hamstrings, all those things can get tight. And boy, when they're tight, it's hard to get out and run. Sometimes even hard to walk because you're stiff, you know, especially if you can't move while you're sitting. So what I did was, once I got home, you definitely got to get those warm-up stretches in. So first of all, let me back up. Welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers to the channel, where we post every day for the year. And this channel is all about inspiration, motivation, moving your body, getting out and making it happen. So this is a positive channel. So now let me get back to what we did. So first of all, we did get our push-ups in. You can see there, again, 3 sets. Start at the bottom. And then what you're gonna do is 40 seconds. And every even number you're gonna push up, come right back down. You wanna hold it on the bottom, right? You wanna kind of hold yourself up on the bottom. Trust me, you will get a great chest and shoulder workout. Then, after we finish that, and that's 3 sets, by the way. Then after we finish that, then we did our stretches, our dynamic stretches. What I mean by that is stretches where you're moving those limbs. You can see here, moving the leg swing left to right, kind of across the front of your body and out to the side, both sides. And then the leg swing to the front. Again, kicking to the front and let it come all the way back. Again, I do about 10 each leg just to warm it up. But if it's not warm, I'll do a couple more. So again, it's just to get the blood moving in those hips from sitting all day, you know. So, hey, that's all I got. Oh, and the last one, this one here for the hip flexor. Again, it's nice to use some type of stick, broom handle, pole. I'm using a PVC pipe. And again, it's all about stretching, right? Reaching up, cross over that forward knee so you get a good stretch. Stretch all that out. So, okay, guys, that's all I got for today. With that, hey, if you found value in what we just talked about, hit that like button and invest in your health. Invest in yourself, invest in your health. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Talk to you tomorrow.